of muscle going through that pain. To be the umbrella for you when it rains. I can't let the enemy get me. When I release what's inside, it come out spirit. Close your eyes. For my energy, I'm here to lift you up. Bring you joy when life getting rough. I'm here to motivate you when you feel like giving up. When you coming from the bottom of the way up. I started counting my blessings and giving up on love. I'm thankful for what I've been through, cause it made me tough. The shit I went through to make me stronger. I learned the most important lessons living as a loner. So I can't ignore it. My foot on the pedal, I floor it. I'm walking through the top door. I'm letting my spirit pour. The vision like an ocean shore. More than I adore. Music is the cure. Here to heal all your pain. Cause you need to feel ashamed. I'm alive, I can't complain. I just gotta do my thing. Turn me up just a little. My music good for the milk. I'ma name rough like them. Bob to the beat, start jigging. I'm the flame with cocaine in it. I'm dope, ain't talking about soap. You don't like me, you don't have to love me. Cause I'm always gonna keep it 100. I'ma give you the truth, even if you don't want it, if you don't want it. Got a lot of muscle going through that pain. So put an umbrella for you when it rains. I can't let the enemy get me. When I release what's inside, it comes out spirit. Close your eyes. For the energy, I'm here to lift you up. Bring you joy when life getting rough. And I'm here to lift you when you feel like giving up. And when you're coming from the bottom of the way,